Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we have Weepro anti-fog visor insert with us for a small brief video. The pin lock is very easy to install. There is a manual and you can see the pin lock lens and the cloth to clean. What happens is while riding in the rain or in the time of winter, so when the visor is closed up, so much of fogging is generated inside the visor. So there is a company Weepro, so they are providing universal anti-fog lens, as all helmets don't have the pin lock setup. So basically I will show you how it looks like and the effects of it, but trust me guys, I am using it from a long time and I am really happy with it.
Fireflies, a million little pieces, feeds the dying light and brings me back to life. In your eyes, I see something to believe in. Your hands are like a flame, your palms are sweet as pain. Let the darkness lead us into the light. Let our dreams get lost, feel the temperature rise. Baby, tell me one more beautiful lie. One touch and I ignite, like a starship speeding into the night. You and I get lost in the infinite lights. Baby, tell me one more beautiful lie. One touch and I ignite. One touch and I ignite. One touch and I ignite. So alive, your touch is like a daylight, burning on my skin. It turns me on again. You and I survive
This lens doesn't fog up and really helps while riding in the rainy seasons. So I'll give the link in the description. Thank you for watching.